Have you ever wondered how you can make the most of baking soda in your daily life? Baking soda is a natural treasure that no modern woman can ignore. Its multiple benefits for beauty, personal care, and household tasks make it an indispensable ally for any woman looking for simple, effective, and environmentally friendly solutions. Baking soda, that harmless white powder that sits in our kitchen cupboards, holds within itself a universe of culinary possibilities that go beyond its usual use in baking. This ingredient, commonly used to make doughs and mixtures for sweets and cakes rise, or to help soften legumes such as beans and lentils, when cooking them with a teaspoon for every liter of water, becomes an invaluable ally for chefs. All levels, from beginners to experts. But beyond its excellent properties for the culinary arts, it has a variety of surprising uses that go far beyond our oven. This economical and versatile product hides an endless number of surprising uses that can be very useful in your home. Most of you probably have a box of baking soda in your pantry, and if not, it is very easy to find in supermarkets or baking stores. Today, we will explore the cosmetic uses of baking soda, its home applications, and natural remedies for personal care. So get ready to discover 20 secret tricks with baking soda that are ingenious, practical, and will help you save time, money, and effort. I guarantee you'll be surprised at how versatile this simple but powerful ingredient can be. Are you ready to discover the hidden benefits of baking soda? This amazing homemade product can transform our beauty and home cleaning routine. Now here are the top benefits of baking soda that every woman should keep in mind. Let's start with the cosmetic uses. Personal appearance plays an important role in our lives, especially for women. But this is not limited only to physical appearance, but encompasses a more comprehensive concept that includes hygiene and personal care. Unfortunately, many commercial products contain chemicals that actually do more harm than good. But there are always more natural ways to keep your body healthy. Number 1. Gentle and effective facial scrub. One of the most popular cosmetic uses for baking soda is as a facial exfoliant. Its grainy but soft texture makes it a perfect ally for gently removing dead cells and dry skin. To prepare this homemade scrub, we only need to mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with half a glass of water until it forms a homogeneous paste. We apply the baking soda paste evenly on the face, avoiding the eye area to prevent irritation. We massage gently with circular movements, insisting on the forehead, temples, and neck, where more fat accumulates. We leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse with warm water, making sure to remove all traces. This exfoliation with baking soda provides us with multiple benefits. It eliminates dead skin and cleans pores, prevents the appearance of wrinkles by increasing the elasticity of the skin, provides softness and luminosity, fights acne thanks to its astringent and antibacterial properties, prevents spots and orange peel skin by renewing the epidermis. Number 2. Hair mask for shiny hair. Do you want to show off silky and shiny hair? Baking soda can also be a faithful ally for your hair. Let's prepare a nourishing and repairing hair mask with natural ingredients. In a container, mix half a cup of baking soda, a cup of conditioner, and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. We apply the mixture to semi-damp hair, distributing it evenly from the roots to the ends. We cover with a towel or shower cap and let it act for an hour. Finally, we rinse with cold water to seal the hair cuticles. This mask takes advantage of the exfoliating properties of baking soda to remove dead cells from the scalp, while the conditioner and coconut oil deeply hydrate and nourish. Get ready to show off your hair that is soft, shiny, and full of life. Number 3. Natural deodorant with antiperspirant action. Did you know that baking soda can also be an effective natural deodorant? Thanks to its ability to neutralize body odor and eliminate odor-causing bacteria, it is an excellent alternative to chemical-laden commercial deodorants. One of the simplest recipes is to combine baking soda with lemon. Lemon juice, in addition to providing a fresh and citrus aroma, has antibacterial properties that reinforce the deodorant action. We prepare our natural deodorant by mixing a tablespoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of lemon juice. We moisten a cotton ball with the mixture and apply it to clean armpits with gentle circular movements. We leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. This natural formula not only fights bad odor, but also helps eliminate toxins and excess oil in the underarm area. In addition, baking soda does not block the pores, allowing the perspiration necessary for the body's thermal regulation. Number 4. Oral hygiene. You can mix your toothpaste with baking soda or simply prepare a paste with baking soda and water to brush your teeth. This also works with dentures. However, dental specialists do not recommend it as a practice that you can do daily since, with its abrasive qualities, baking soda would wear down the protective enamel over time. The recommendation of professionals is to purchase commercial products that contain baking soda in their toothpaste. Number 5. Mouthwash. I already mentioned what baking soda can do when you apply it with your toothbrush, but I haven't mentioned what it can do as a mouthwash. To take advantage of the properties of baking soda as a mouthwash, you only need half a teaspoon dissolved in half a glass of warm water. This simple mixture will allow you to reach every corner of your mouth, including the areas that the toothbrush cannot clean, such as the corners, crevices of the teeth, tongue, and gums. Number 6. Whitens teeth. According to Medical Science Monitor, the reason baking soda is so effective when it comes to whitening teeth is because its gentle abrasive properties allow it to break the bonds of the molecules that stain your teeth. Baking soda also contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. Baking soda, also known as sodium carbonate, is a low-cost, multi-use compound that has become an indispensable item in many homes. Its slightly alkaline character and its ability to absorb odors make it an excellent ally for domestic uses at home. Number 7. Multipurpose cleaner for different surfaces. Baking soda is truly a multi-purpose product that we can use to clean and deodorize a wide variety of surfaces in the home. Its degreasing and mild abrasive power make it a perfect ally for removing the most stubborn dirt without damaging the materials. To clean countertops, tiles, and kitchen surfaces, simply mix baking soda with water until it forms a thick paste. We apply the mixture to the surface and rub with a cloth or sponge. We rinse with warm water and that's it. Likewise, it is excellent for cleaning and polishing silver objects or jewelry, just by preparing a paste of baking soda and water to rub gently and then rinse. Number 8. In the bathroom. Baking soda is excellent for removing limescale and soap scum in bathtubs, showers, and sinks. You just need to sprinkle a little baking soda on the wet surface and rub with a scouring pad. Then, we rinse with hot water. Number 9. To clean and deodorize carpets and upholstery. We can sprinkle baking soda on the surface and let it sit for a few hours before vacuuming. The baking soda will absorb odors and help remove stains. Number 10. Clean and deodorize shoes. It is a powerful ally to keep your shoes impeccable and free of bad odors. Thanks to its antibacterial and deodorizing properties, baking soda is capable of neutralizing unpleasant odors, absorbing moisture that causes bacteria to proliferate and, as an added bonus, whitening your shoes. It is a very simple method. Generously sprinkle a tablespoon of baking soda inside each shoe, paying special attention to the insole area, where the greatest amount of sweat and bacteria tends to concentrate. The next morning, remove excess baking soda by shaking your shoes vigorously. If you wish, you can wipe it with a dry cloth to remove any remaining residue. Number 11. Remove stains from carpets. According to an article published in the United States National Library of Medicine, when baking soda and vinegar are combined, a compound called carbonic acid is created. This ingredient is common in cleaning products. Together, they create a bubbling solution that seeps into the carpet fabric and removes stains. Number 12. Unpleasant odor eliminator. In addition to its cleaning power, baking soda is an excellent eliminator of unpleasant odors in the home. Thanks to its antibacterial and deodorant properties, it can reduce bad odors linked to humidity, food remains, and garbage. If a fabric such as curtains or a sofa smells bad, we can mix water and baking soda in a spray bottle and spray the affected surface. We let it act and shake or vacuum the excess. To combat the smell of the garbage can, just sprinkle a little baking soda inside the container. The pipes can also smell better if we use this compound. We pour baking soda and a splash of vinegar down the drain. Let it act for 20 minutes and then pour boiling water to remove the accumulated remains. Absorbs bad odors from the refrigerator. And you just have to place a plate with baking soda inside the refrigerator. And that way it will absorb any undesirable odor that could contaminate the water or other foods. Number 13. Water softener for clothes. Did you know that baking soda can help you get cleaner, fresher clothes? According to research conducted at the University of Nebraska, baking soda is an alkaline that, when dissolved in water, has the ability to interact with acids in stains to help remove them. When added to your wash cycle, it acts as a natural water softener, intensifying the cleaning and deodorizing power of the detergent. Place the clothes in the washing machine and add half a cup of baking soda. Add your regular detergent and turn on the wash cycle. Add another half cup of baking soda to the rinse cycle. Baking soda neutralizes odors by balancing pH levels, softens wash water so you can use less detergent and bleach, and makes washing more effective. Enjoy whiter, cleaner clothes with a new level of freshness. Let's now talk about natural remedies with baking soda. This product hides endless secrets for health and well-being. Its alkaline and antiseptic power makes it the ideal home remedy, from relieving digestive discomfort to fighting fungi and bacteria. Number 14. Kidney diseases. According to Dr. Julian Whittaker, founder of the Whittaker Wellness Institute and considered a pioneer in alternative medicine, he explains that people who suffer from kidney diseases have difficulty eliminating acid from their body, an alkaline substance that buffers the acids and helps keep our pH levels under control. He also noted that a recent study by British researchers showed that sodium bicarbonate reduced the rate of kidney deterioration in 2/3 of the individuals who participated in the tests. Number 15. Relief from heartburn and burning. Baking soda is an excellent natural remedy to relieve heartburn and indigestion. Thanks to its antacid properties, it can help us neutralize excess acid in the stomach and calm annoying symptoms such as heartburn, cramps, and upset stomach. In fact, over-the-counter medications like Alka-Seltzer, Tums, and Rolaids contain baking soda in their formulas. So, Dr. Whittaker says that if those medications are successful in relieving indigestion and heartburn, then taking natural baking soda would work even more efficiently. To take advantage of its benefits, we simply dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a large glass of water. We drink the mixture slowly, ideally 1 to 2 hours after meals. Baking soda will act as a neutralizer of excess acid, providing quick and effective relief. It is important to remember that while baking soda is a traditional and safe remedy, excessive use can cause side effects such as thirst, gas, vomiting, or loss of appetite. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a medical professional if symptoms persist. Number 16. Relieves canker sores. In 1973, oral health studies were carried out at Sunnybrook Hospital in Toronto, Canada, where they treated a group of patients suffering from chronic ulceration. This condition was difficult to diagnose and sometimes even more difficult to treat. However, they began to apply a specific therapy that included sodium bicarbonate that improved the conditions of 7 out of 10 patients. Number 17. Treatment for tired legs and swollen feet. After a tiring day or spending a lot of time on your feet, there is nothing better than a foot bath with baking soda to relieve fatigue and swelling in the lower extremities. This home remedy is ideal for women who frequently wear heels and suffer from swollen feet. We fill a basin or container with warm water and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. We immerse our feet in the water and let it act for 20-30 minutes. For greater hydration and softness, we can add a few drops of almond oil to the water. If your feet are especially tired, add a handful of coarse salt to enhance the anti-inflammatory effect. Baking soda, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, will help eliminate swelling, pain, and a feeling of heaviness in the legs and feet. After the bath, we massage with a moisturizing cream to seal in the benefits of baking soda and give softness and luminosity to our legs. Number 18. Relieve insect bites. Mosquito and insect bites can be really annoying, causing itching, swelling, and redness. Fortunately, baking soda can be a great ally to relieve these symptoms naturally. Mix a little baking soda with water until it forms a thick paste. We apply the paste directly to the bites, spreading it gently over the affected area. We let it act for a few minutes and then rinse with warm water. We can repeat the application 3 times a day until the itching and swelling disappear. Baking soda helps neutralize the venom from the bites, reducing inflammation and burning thanks to its antihistamine and soothing properties. In addition, its antibacterial action prevents infections and promotes the healing of injuries. Number 19. Sunburn. Baking soda contains properties that can help soothe the redness caused by itching and the stinging sensation caused by sunburn. There are many over-the-counter products that contain baking soda, but you can make your own paste with baking soda or add it to bath water. Number 20. Improve exercise performance. Muscles produce lactic acid, which is why you have that burning sensation during exercise. Lactic acid lowers the pH inside your cells, which could be the reason your muscles get tired. A study published by the British publisher Biomed Central concluded that participants who consumed sodium bicarbonate before exercise raised their maximum blood lactate levels and reduced their perceived exertion rating. In simpler terms, participants were able to exercise for longer than usual. It is very important that before attempting to use it for health benefits, you first speak to a medical professional. I also recommend caution if you are going to apply it to any area of your body, since baking soda can irritate the skin and eyes. As you may have noticed, baking soda is a truly versatile and economical product with many uses in addition to cooking that can improve our personal care routine, keep our home clean and fresh, and provide us with natural relief from minor stomach problems. Baking soda is a natural, biodegradable, and non-toxic product, making it a safe option for home use. It is an essential ingredient that should not be missing in any home. In addition, its low cost makes it accessible to everyone. Did you know all the benefits of this incredible product? Do you have any other secrets you want to share with us? We read you in the comments. That's it for our video today. If you liked the topic we discussed, give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content. Thanks for joining us.